You guys, look how cute this packaging is with all the snowflakes. Like, how adorable is this lipstick set? I literally cannot get enough. And forgive my horrible swatches here. Yeah, I need some help. Oh my god, did your heart skip a beat? Because mine totally did. Check how gorgeous these shades are, you guys. So beautiful. I don't believe this highlight's from her winter collection, but this is the salted caramel highlight, and oh my god, so delicious. So starting off with Cuddle Season, I am just going to take that and place that underneath my brow bone and kind of buff that on into the crease a little bit, but just setting down a base for that shadow. Next, I take the shade Wrap It Up and I just place that in my crease and I just slightly build it up. I do windshield wiper motions and then I go back in circular like motions just to buff that on out. And I do this a few times just until I get the color nice and opaque and just, you know, how I prefer it to be. Once I have my crease shade to my desired color, I go in with a little paint pot and carve out a little cut crease like deal, and then I go in with the shade Jingle Baby and I place that on with my fingertip at first, and then I go back in with a brush just to get a more sharper edge. Next, I use the shade Bundle Up from the palette and I kind of stamp it on the outer corner of my eye, and then I slowly buff that into the crease just to get it more blended and a more seamless look. I do this slow at first, just building up the color, and it does take a minute, but it did look beautiful in the end. So off camera, I went ahead and did some eyeliner and put some eyelashes on. Those products will be listed in the description box down below, but I went ahead and used that shade Bundle Up and just smudged that underneath my eyes. And then I grabbed that salted caramel highlight and I placed that on my cheekbones as well as my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. And this highlight is gorgeous, you guys. I highly recommend it. It is superior. So for lips, I ended up mixing two shades. I used Better Not Pout and Snow Way Bay. Here I am placing Snow Way Bay, and then I put Better Not Pout on top, and then I put Snow Way Bay on top of that and blended it on in, and that ended up being the final result. But I really loved these liquid lipsticks. And that ended up being the final result, and I honestly really love how my eyeshadow came out today. It is looking so bomb, but yeah, I really loved this, not gonna lie at all. Have nothing bad to say. Alright guys, well this is the completed makeup look, and let me say that I am digging it. This eyeshadow palette is bomb, like bomb.com guys. Seriously, I'm so glad that I was able to get my hands on it, so shout out to my mama because she's the one who got it for me for my birthday, so thank you so much, Mom, if you're watching this. Alright guys, so for the review portion, I have to say that that highlighter, one, is bomb, and I have low-key been using it every single day since, so that was not my first time using it, and I love this highlight. Literally, it's like a staple in my every single day makeup routine, so definitely gonna be using that guy all the freaking time. But let's talk about this eyeshadow palette, because that thing is fire! So some of the eyeshadows are a little bit more on the cool tone side, which is perfectly fine. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, so I'm super stoked to use those guys and yeah, create more super fun looks for you guys and just in general because I love makeup. But yeah, so I really love the eyeshadow palette. Love how my eyes turned out, you guys. This like looks so bomb. So if you want me to do another tutorial using this makeup palette or any of these lip products, then just go ahead and comment down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you did. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite Kylie Cosmetics product is so that way I can totally check it out, because like I said, this is my first time using any of these Kylie products, so I'm super stoked. Like, I don't know why I haven't tried anything before. I guess, I don't know. That's crazy that I've never tried Kylie Cosmetics before. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. There are new videos every single week and more tutorials coming at you. So peace and love to you always. To see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!